Yo, get out my set, son.
I need that.
Well, I hope you're having a good time, because I'm going out of my mind with worry here. What did you find out?
That there are more criminals in this town than in prison. We need a lead from the streets.
Okay, let me think. Ah, I got it! Okay, there's this Limey, some music industry slimeball. Goes by the name of Kent Paul. Anyway, he's got his nose so far up most of Vice City's ass that if anybody knows the whereabouts of 20 keys of coke, it's this guy, alright? He's always at the Malibu.
I'll go pay him a visit.
Take it easy now.
Right. You know, hey, Ken puffing around here. Whatever you want about.
Good.
Bonkers am guy could defend to death, right, bruv?
Listen, keys and
The mug's guy was shifter, nose and dry himself like that. Why you mugger? Give me a sluts.
Hey, what you looking at? You better start talking. Hey, make me, you prick.
Oh, way to go, tough guy. Beat him to a pulp. That should make him real chatty.
You want some too?
Hey, chill. I want what you want, brother.
Oh, yeah? And what's that?
Your green and my dead brother's white lady. Unfortunately, you just silenced our lead.
Accidents happen. Get lost.
Hey, whoa. No need to go all Lone Ranger on my ass. The way I see it, we two hombres in a strange town. We need to watch each other's back.
My back's just fine, brother.
You sure about that? Here, take this. Follow me. This way!
I am an officer of the law. Stop!
Damn, honey, you look a hot dish. One thing you gotta realize about this town, you gotta pack some heat. The local gun shop is a couple of blocks away.
Mi mamá me puso para este carro.
I'm gonna go see what I can dig up. I'll be watching you, Tommy.
But what? I totally don't know how to stop. Sorry.